Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will create financial periods. Click on Admin, choose Financial Periods. Choose Batch Start Date and Batch Finish Date. Then you can choose if you need weekly or monthly periods. I need monthly period, so I will choose every 1 month. Click Batch Create. Yes. Okay. Financial periods from July 1, 2019 to December 2020 on monthly basis is created. You can rename the period name if you would like. You can print the period list. You can also add customized periods. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.